Hello guys, it's Nabil here. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can save SHSH blobs for iOS 14.4 and iOS 14.4.1 for downgrading iOS versions for future jailbreaks. These two iOS versions are the only versions currently signed by the Apple. Let's just start this video. First of all, go to this ipsw.me website. Here, select the device for which you want to save the SHSH blobs. Even if you are not a jailbreak user, later after upgrading to new iOS version, you might face performance issues or battery issues. You can downgrade to old iOS versions for which you have saved SHSH blobs. In my case, I am saving blobs for my iPhone 7. Once I click on iPhone 7 GSM version, I can see which iOS versions are currently being signed by the Apple, and I can only save the blobs for these iOS versions. Below, you can see all the iOS versions in the red are unsigned by the Apple, and we cannot save SHSH blobs for these versions. Although if we have saved blobs for these unsigned versions, we can downgrade to those. In case you are not able to find the iOS versions for your device, click on the Identify My Device in the menu. Scroll down. Here you need to put in the model number of your device. This is how you can find the model number. Go to Settings in your iPhone, then in General, click on the About. Here you can see the model number, but this is not the exactly model number of your device. Tap on this number and you will see the exact model number of your device. Put in the device model number and click on the Identify My Device. This will directly take you to the page for your device where you can see the iOS versions currently signed by the Apple. Now go to this website shsh.host. Here we need to put in the ECID of our device. If you are saving SHSH blobs on your Windows computer, simply connect your device to your computer. Open iTunes, click here on the little device icon. Here you will see the serial number. Click twice on this and you will see the ECID number of your device. Hello guys, if you have made this far in this video, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button for more iOS related videos. Now this part is for the users having the Mac computer. If you are on the lower Mac version than macOS Catalina, you can simply find the ECID number using the iTunes. But if you are on the Mac Catalina and above versions, the method to find ECID number is little different. First of all, you need to put your device into recovery mode. After that, go to System Information page. Select the USB from the left list. And here you can find your ECID number. Copy this ECID number and paste it here on the shsh.host website. From the below drop down, select your device. In my case, it's iPhone 7 GSM. I will select that. In the below, you can select for which version you want to save SHSH blobs. I am saving SHSH blobs for the all iOS versions currently signed by the Apple. If you are on the newer devices, iPhone 12, iPhone 11, you can set the app notes here. Once you have put in the details, click on this Requesting AP Ticket button. As you can see, SHSH blobs for my iOS device are saved. This also have saved the SHSH blobs for the beta versions. If you click on My SHSH directory, it will take you to the page where you can see all the SHSH blobs you have saved. Click on any iOS version for which you want to download the SHSH blob that you can later use to downgrade for this specific iOS version. Hit the subscribe button if you want to downgrade to iOS version using the SHSH blob. The video is coming soon. In that video, I will show you how you can downgrade to iOS version using SHSH blob. Comment below if you successfully have saved SHSH blobs for the latest signed iOS versions. Thank you for watching.